How to visualize risk management analysis data in reports effectively. Multi-axis spider chart data requirements. You need one column of categorical data to create a multi-axis spider chart. Categorical data definition. It describes a characteristic or a category of data. It takes on values that are names or labels. Categorical data is also called qualitative data. You need between 2 and 5 columns of numerical data to create a multi-axis spider chart. Numerical data definition. It is in the form of numbers and is numeric in nature. It can be counted or measured and can be arranged in a logical order. Numerical data is also called quantitative data. In this video, we will construct a multi-axis spider chart with 6 data columns as follows. 1 column containing categorical data. 5 columns containing numerical data. Important: multi-axis spider chart will only accept data in columns as shown in the image on the left. Click on the Add-ins button. Install ChartExpo add-in. Enhance your charting experience with advanced charts. An add-in is software that adds new features into Microsoft Excel and Office 365. How to install ChartExpo video is available in iCard, located in top right corner. Video link is also provided in the description below. Please click on More. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display an Office add-ins box. Select the ChartExpo add-in and click on the Add button. Search for multi-axis spider chart, then select it. Select the data. Click on the Create Chart from Selection button. Multi-axis spider chart is created successfully. Click on the Edit Chart button. Click on the chart header pen to edit the properties, then enter the header text. Make sure you have turned on Show Property before you click the Apply button. Now we are going to introduce some of the chart properties: curve point, measure label, axis label, grid lines. Click on the Chart Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Curve Point section. You can show or hide curve point. You can set the radius of curve point. Click on the Measure Label section. You can show or hide measure label. You can set the text of measure label. Click on the Axis Label section. You can show or hide axis label. You can set the prefix and postfix. Click on the Grid Lines section. You can show or hide grid lines. You can change number of circle lines. Click on the Chart Properties pen to append % as a postfix to the numbers. Similarly, you can append % as a postfix to the operational efficiency. Click on the Legend Properties pen to edit the properties. Click on the Legend section. You can show or hide legend. You can set the dock. You can set legend alignment. Click on the Box section. You can change the color and shape type. Change the color and shape type of all boxes. Click on the Save Changes button. Click on the Export Chart button to export chart in JPG, PNG, SVG, or PDF. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.